Hello guys, welcome to my channel TechxNishant. Here I'll be starting with some basic functions of Excel. In this function, I'm going to show you how do we are able to join two string, two text, or two data of two columns. So I'm just showing you an example by putting first name and last name of few of my friends. Now suppose we want to know the full name. How we do? We need to put, yeah, we can see that Amit is first name and Kumar is last name, Anil is first name, Raju is last name. So to do this we need to join Amit and Kumar. We can do this by using concatenate function. Using equal to, each and every formulas of Excel starts with equal to. So using Excel, equal to concatenate first name Amit then Kumar, and dragging the formula to the last, we can get the two joined names. Okay, but what we are seeing here, the joined names which we have used, the joined names which we have, the names which we have joined here are not having spacing between them. So we need to have first name, then a space between them, the last name. To overcome this, we are going to add a space between first name and last name. So here we'll go. We'll add first name. We'll concatenate first name, then space, then last name. See how we are doing this. Just a minute. Let's see. I'm just writing you that what is the current representation, how we can get a correct valid name. See here. So here we can do, what we can do is we can use concatenate function. Concatenate, then first name, then we have to put space between first name and last name. We need to have space, that is, and concatenate, and spacing is being shown by double quotes space between then the last name. So we got Amit Kumar in proper valid format. See, isn't it nice? Suppose HR of any company wants to make a proper name, want to find out proper what is the proper name of particular employees of his company. He need to find out what is he would need to use concatenate function. Signing off. Keep connected. Thanks. Bye bye.